Okay, so here we go. Today we're going to be installing the ComfyUI Manager, and this is because we are getting into some things where we will need custom nodes, and rather than trying to install them manually, it would be much easier to get the Comfy Manager installed so we can install our custom nodes through the UI. Also, the manager is just very useful for managing your settings, updating Comfy, and rebooting the server. Occasionally things will get hung up, or you'll install something new and you'll need to restart the server, and you can just go into the manager and click restart. It makes it much easier. This is going to be a really quick one, and I just wanted to go ahead and get it out of the way before we move on to the next videos. So if we jump into our web browser, we will just go to ltdr-data/ComfyUI Manager over on GitHub. Of course, there will be a link in the description. And then we're just going to scroll down until we see the installation section. No, I don't want to call. I turned on the do not disturb. So do not disturb me. Yes, missed call. That's fantastic. And you can really go with either of these methods, 1 or 2 here. There's some more down here if you're on Linux or if you're installing Comfy and the manager at the same time. But since you've been following along with my videos and you already have Comfy installed, we're just going to use one of these two. Now, the second installation method is just going to download this batch file. And if you open this batch file in a new tab, you can see exactly what it does. It just uses Python to install this Git Python package, and then it clones this repo into the custom nodes folder in Comfy. So rather than doing that, I'm just going to go with installation method 1 and clone the repo directly myself. And the reason for this is I already have Git desktop installed, so it's very easy to just clone this into my custom nodes folder. And if you already watched my Open Web UI video, you will know this, but you can get Git desktop just by going to desktop.github.com/download and using this installer to install it. So all we're going to do is copy the URL to this repo and go into our Git desktop. We will go to File, Clone, URL, paste in that URL, and then we will go into our Custom Nodes folder under Comfy Custom Nodes. Select folder, and we will just clone that into our Custom Nodes folder. Clone, and there we are. Now we can close Git desktop, and as you can see, it says Restart Comfy. I don't have it open, so I'm just going to start it. And of course, if you remember from the last videos, you just go into your Comfy and run one of these two files, either for the CPU version or the GPU version if you have an NVIDIA GPU, which I do. You can see it's installing the ComfyUI Manager dependencies right there. These warnings you can ignore. It says that these script directories are not in path, but that's not a big deal. And now it's just starting Comfy. This is from something I was running earlier. You can ignore that. All right. And there we go. And as you'll notice, we now have this nifty little manager button right here. And if we open that, we can update Comfy right here. And we can install our custom nodes and models right here. So that's pretty much all there is to it. The Comfy Manager is super useful, like I said, for updating Comfy and installing your custom nodes. And again, if anything gets hung up, or if you install some custom nodes and you need to restart Comfy, you can just click that and OK. And if you'll notice in the command prompt, it will be restarting. And when it does, it will just open Comfy in a new tab like so. And you can just close the old one. So like I said, this one is super quick and easy. That's really all there is to it. Now you have the manager installed, and we can install custom nodes that we will need in the next couple of videos. Speaking of which, as I mentioned in my last video, the next video that is coming up is the LLM video, where we will be able to use a language model right here in Comfy to generate prompts for us, so we don't have to spend a lot of time fine-tuning prompts ourselves. So be sure to stick around for that. If you have questions about this or anything else Comfy or Open Web UI related, put those in the comments. And if you haven't seen how to set up Comfy yet, be sure to check the videos for that. I will leave a link in the description, and I'll also put a card thing up there that you can click on. Be sure to hit up the Patreon, where you can get my workflows for free, and those will of course make your life a whole lot easier whenever you're getting into new models like Flux and Stable Video Diffusion. I have all of my workflows over there, so you can just drag and drop them into Comfy, and you will have a nice neat layout with all of the settings settings dialed in to make sure you get the best possible image and video generations from Flux and Stable Video Diffusion. Of course, I will leave links in the description. As always, I am looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say in the comments. If you happen to stumble across a setting or feature that I haven't covered in my videos that makes your lives a whole lot easier, be sure to share that with the crowd in the comments below. And of course, if you have any questions, throw those in the comments as well. It would be very helpful to me if you would like and subscribe if you found this video useful. And of course, be sure to share this with anyone you know who might find this useful as well. All right, guys, I'm going to cut this one short and get onto the LLM video, and that will be coming out tomorrow before noon. So be sure to check the playlist for that. And I will see you guys next time. Take care.